So yesterday afternoon I rode here with my one wheel. Let me stick it out a little more. So I rode here my one wheel and I used the GoPro Max. I used the GoPro Max to record so that I have the possibility to, or the option to look all the way around. And yeah, so I'm driving my chip, so that was just a test for that I can use that camera in the morning to do a test run and, you know, drive my first round here. You know, I drive like this big circle. And what happened? I'm all the way around, and then I realized I didn't push the record button, or either I didn't push the record button or I pushed it and the camera didn't record, because the GoPro Hero 10 and 11, so this is my experience with them, sometimes it doesn't record. You push the button and then within the first second it stops, or it doesn't record at all. So that really happens. It even beeps that it records, right? So you push the button, it beeps to indicate the recording, and then it didn't. Yeah, that happened, so I had to do it a second time. That was super annoying. Then back on my computer. So I have to say I did use the Røde wireless mic to record all this. So it has this capability that you can record the audio on the microphone itself, and then it creates a file on there. So I do have that file. I have the 360 file. I'm ready to cut the video, you know, and then turns out, oh, there's two birds flying here. Yeah, I start cutting the video, and then I'm syncing the audio, and I can't sync the audio for my life. Like, it did not work. I don't know what's wrong with the audio, but the audio never had the same length as the video. It was super, super annoying. So I scrapped that whole thing and all went in the garbage can. So that footage was done. You know? And so yeah, today, this morning as well as now, I'm driving with a GoPro Hero 11, and I'm comparing this to the DJI camera that I drove the day before with the horizon stabilization. It is way more stable than this here, but I always thought the GoPro is so good. Horizon stabilization on one wheel, that's kind of a good thing. Makes sense, but no, whatever. It is what it is for now. What the good thing is about the GoPro, so the GoPro is recording in 5.3K, right? 5,300 some pixels in width, and so that pixely. Look at the, oh, can you see me in the reflection? Oh man, trees. Whoa. There's a bike again, the bike the fish was talking about. Let's stop here for a sec. The pixels, you have so many pixels in width, the 5.3K. So now I can make, the 4K is 3800 pixel by 2160 or whatever. And I could make a full widescreen video with this without squeezing pixels. This is like using an anamorphic lens without the ana, just morphic. I mean, so you have this wide screen that is not stretched, it's really one-to-one the pixels. You just don't have those blue flares in there. The flares you get from an anamorphic. But there's like plugins you can buy this to do after the fact. Put in flares like with Final Cut or the DJI software if you wanted to. But yeah, so yeah, this super widescreen, this is something the GoPro can deliver. you know. And the sound, okay. Sound, I have now the Rode microphone on my camera. You know, the MediaMod on the GoPro, and then the LavMic from Rode on it. So there's no wireless or anything. This is by wire. Audio by wire, microphone by wire. That's what it is. Haha. Whoa, that was a big bump. Let's U-turn and go to my place. I see the Amazon guy is coming. So Amazon is delivering my stuff. Wow, so I ordered new cool stuff. Like I ordered an air quality monitor. Air quality monitor, that's what I ordered. That's amazing. So that's going to be delivered right now. Cool stuff. So where we are, can you see the LED? I need to charge again.